How to add logo in Wix Studio. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to have your logo be used in your Wix Studio over here. So over here, navigate to your header of course, and you will be able to see that we have our header or like our logo over here. So simply double click on the default or the temporary logo that is placed on your website and click on change vector art over here. Over here, we can now choose from our different media. So in the media, as you can see, we could upload our own logo. So simply click on upload media over here and upload your own logo that you have created. Or for example, we could select one from our media from Wix over here and click on add to page. We will be able to change our logo, as you can see, to our selected media. So if you have uploaded your own logo, you can simply select it from Wix Media and use it as a logo for your Wix website. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.